Sa bahay ng Filipina friends dito, ano lang, few blocks from the house, and we will bring her a Christmas gift. Ayun lang, kasi they invited us and I don't have time to go in the party because I was busy and I already have a schedule for different party. I want to say sorry to my Filipino friends for not going to her party. Okay. Last night I dressed up a Santa Claus, Mrs. Santa Claus, and I wore high heels, and I can't imagine I survived for 8 hours wearing the high heels. And oh my god, my feet really hurts. It hurt like pain for the last 8 hours, and I felt cry. But you know what, I got a lot of compliments on my Santa Claus dress, and it was really pretty. And yeah, I was so happy, but deep inside, I was hurt in my feet. Ang sakit talaga ng paa ko. Sa kaartihan, guys. May $25 gift card kasi yung raffle for our, I think, for our costume. Sana manalo ako ng $25.
Yeah. You wore high heels for 8 hours straight, standing up, walking around.
Yeah, because my dress was really...
I knew that would happen to you.
It was a challenge. Yeah.
That's what happens when you wear
It's
heels.
a challenge.
Injure your heel challenge.
On the way po kami to the park mag-jogging kasi may party kami tonight. Mag-attend po kami ng Christmas party with other Filipino friends. Filipino friends. So, I'm sure they have a lot of foods. I have a very big pimple here. And I don't have makeup right now because we're going to the park for... And maybe later tonight, I need to put some makeup.
Bye.